we glue on the hair, we draw the marionette's mouth and eyes. We attach the head to the body and voila! The marionette is ready for our marionette theater show.
Oh. Ooh. Ooh.
Very well, pups. Now each one of you will be able to make your very own marionette at home. Have fun!
I'm going to make... And I will make... I'm going to make a robot marionette, all silver with yellow eyes. What about you, Tip? I don't know what to make.
Tip, I'm here.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi. Why the long face?
Oh, nothing.
Bad day, huh? What do you say we go have some nice ice cream? Ice cream is one of the best ways to make smiles come back to faces.